Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to place an item on interlibrary loan through the Timberland Regional Library. You may be wondering, what is interlibrary loan? Interlibrary loan is the service through which patrons can order books and other materials for checkout which Timberland may not currently have in its collection. In this tutorial, we will first review how to search for an item in Timberland's catalog. Then we will see how to locate, fill out, and submit a form for interlibrary loan. And finally, we will learn how to track the progress of our interlibrary loan request. To begin with, let's suppose you've just found a title you'd like to check out from the library. Go to the library's website, trl.org, click on the Books and More tab, and scroll down and click on Catalog. Let's search for the title, entering Large Fears, and clicking on Search. We can see there are 41 search results, and I don't see the title among the first few. Therefore, to limit these results, I'm also going to perform a quick advanced search, including both author and title. This will help me determine whether or not this exact title by this exact author is carried at the Timberland Library. We can see that this search returned no results. However, there's no need to worry. This is where interlibrary loan can be helpful. On the results page, click on the library logo towards the upper left. This will take us to the home page. Here we will click on Books and More and scroll down to click on Interlibrary Loan and Purchase Request. This page provides information on interlibrary loan and requesting new library purchases. On the left is the order form, and on the right, we can see answers to frequently asked questions, such as, how long will it take to fill out my interlibrary loan request? Most items come within 2 weeks, however, harder to find items occasionally take up to 6 weeks. What items can I order through interlibrary loan? Materials can include books, DVDs, CDs, and more. And why is the form asking how much I will willing to pay for an item? Generally, requests can be filled at no cost. Now let's fill out the form. Today we will only be filling in the required fields, which are indicated with an asterisk. We will start by entering an email address where we'd like to receive confirmation that a request has been received and is in process. This is followed by our library card number, the title and author of the item we are seeking, and then below this, even though it's not a required field, I want to mention that we have the option of either ordering the item through interlibrary loan or to request that the library purchase it for its collection. Next, we can select the format we'd like to receive. Below this, we can choose at which of Timberland's 27 branch locations we'd like to pick up our item, followed by our name, first name, and last name, how much we would like to pay for the material, followed by our phone number, and submitting. You will then be directed to a screen verifying your submission. About a week later, you can check on the status of your interlibrary loan by visiting trl.org and logging into your account. To do this, click on My Account in the upper right corner. Then enter your library card number, followed by the PIN. From here, again, click on My Account and review your Holds tab. Here is my interlibrary loan item. That it's listed here means it's on order. So now that you've learned to check the library's catalog, request an item on interlibrary loan, and review your request, I hope you will feel empowered to use this service. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to place an item on interlibrary loan at the Timberland Regional Library. Please contact us if you have any additional questions. Thank you.